Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to apply flat rate above specific amount, and we are going to apply free shipping method below specific amount in WooCommerce cart and checkout page in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and we have two shipping method. Now you see flat rate $90, free shipping. So we are going to apply flat rate above specific amount like 300, 500, so it's up to you. And we are going to apply free shipping below specific amount like 300. Now go to WooCommerce shipping setting. So we are in WooCommerce shipping zone, and then you see flat rate, free shipping. Now open flat rate, so click on edit. Now you see flat rate $90. Now close, and then you see free shipping. Now click on edit, and then you see name free shipping. Free shipping require no requirement, and then click on save. So we have two shipping method. Now go to cart page again. So we are going to increase quantity and then click on update cart. So above 300 we are going to apply flat rate. Below 300 we are going to apply free shipping. Now you see both. So we are going to add custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it, and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it, and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title, and then you see code per view. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see threshold amount 300. So you can add amount according to requirement. So you can add 500, 1000, 1500. So it's up to you. And then you see cart total less than or equal to. So you can modify this condition according to requirement. Check if the cart is below or equal the threshold. So this is the threshold amount. And then you see keep free shipping and remove flat rate. So when cart below or equal 300 amount, when cart is below or equal to 300 amount, then we are going to apply free shipping and remove flat rate. Now you see unset, and then you see ID or value flat underscore rate colon 19. Now go to cart page and we are going to find out value. Now you see flat rate, right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open, and then you see input type radio shipping method, and then you see value flat underscore rate colon 19. Back to custom code. Now you see same value we are using, and then you see else if amount is greater than 300. Now you see free underscore shipping colon 20. Now go to cart page again. Now you see free shipping, right click on it and then again click on inspect, and then you see input type value free underscore shipping colon 20. So this value we are using in custom code. Now close, back to code. Now you see flat underscore rate colon 19 free underscore shipping colon 20, and then scroll down. You see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active, and then click on save snippet. So after that we are going to remove WooCommerce shipping zone cache. So after that our code will work, and then you see snippet created and saved. Now go to WooCommerce shipping zone, first disable both and then click on save changes. So after that we are going to enable both and then click on save changes. Now settings saved, go to cart page and refresh the page. Now you see both, and then you see our order amount is 300 above. Now you see flat rate. Now decrease quantity, update cart, and then you see subtotal below 300. Now you see free shipping apply, increase quantity again. So after that we are going to place order to check. Again you see subtotal 308, shipping flat rate, free shipping method hide, and then click on proceed to checkout. So we are in checkout page. Now you see flat rate. Now select, enable this option and then click on place order. Now you see order placement done, and then you see shipping 90 via flat rate. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.